everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 8.1, page number 146, question number 11. In the triangle ABC and the triangle DEF, we are having two triangles. AB is equal to DE, AB is equal to DE, this one, and BC is equal to EF. This is the BC, this one is equal to the EF. We are having this information. Now what is A, B, C are joined? They are joined. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, joined to the vertices D, E and F respectively. Show that. We have to show these 6 things as given in the question. So first we are going to start with the first one. In the first one we have to prove that the quadrilateral ABED, the quadrilateral ABED, this one, this is a parallelogram. So first we are going to write here AB is equal to DE. This one is given in the question, and AB is parallel to DE. This one is given in the question. Now as we know that opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. So we are going to write here ABED is a parallelogram. So this is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2 we have to prove that the quadrilateral BEFC, this is the BEF and C, this one is a parallelogram. We have to prove this thing. So BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. This one is given in the question. So opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is parallelogram. So BEFC is a parallelogram. So this is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3 we have to prove that AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to the CF. Since ABED, we are going to write here, since ABED and BEFC are parallelogram, these are the two parallelograms we are having, then in this one AD is equal to BE, AD is equal to BE, because in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DE, then AD is equal to BE. So we are going to write here the statement, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So we are going to write here opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now AD is equal to BE. Now comes to in this one BC is equal to EF. So this is the BC is equal to EF, then BE is equal to CF. This BE is equal to CF. Why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. The same statement we are going to write here. Now if AD is equal to BE, this AD is equal to BE, and BE, this BE is equal to the CF, this BE is equal to the CF, then AD is equal to CF. So we are going to write here, this is the equation number 1, this is the 2, AD is equal to CF from 1 and 2. So AD is equal to CF we are having. Now if AD is equal to CF, then AD is parallel to CF. So we are going to write here AD is parallel to CF because opposite side of the parallelogram are parallel. So we are going to write here opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. So this is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. In the part 4, quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. So ACFD, this one, this ACFD is a parallelogram. We have to prove this thing. So we are going to write here AD and CF are opposite sides of parallelogram which are equal and parallel. So they are equal also and parallel also according to the part 3. So we are going to write here, thus ACFD is a parallelogram. So this is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. In this one we have to prove that this AC is equal to DF, this one. Now in the part 5, since we are going to write here, since ACFD is a parallelogram, this one we know from the part 4. If this is a parallelogram, then AC and DF are the sides of the parallelogram. So we are going to write here, since ACFD is a parallelogram, then AC is parallel to DF and AC is also equal to DF. So this is the part 5. Now come to the part 6. In this one, the triangle ABC, this is congruous to the triangle DEF. So we are going to take two triangles, the triangle ABC and the triangle DEF. We are having these two triangles. So first we are going to write here AB is equal to DE. This one is given in the question, and now BC is equal to EF. This BC is equal to this EF. This one is also given in the question. Now we are having two sides as the equal. Now comes to the third one. The third one, AC is equal to DF. This AC is equal to DF. Why? Because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So we are going to write here opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now we are having three sides as equal. So we are going to write here triangle ABC is congruous to the triangle DEF by SSS congruence rule. So with this one we have completed the part 6 and the question number 11. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 12.